to another episode of Dare to Glow. I'm Bella and I'm here to share with you how I applied this purple eyeliner today. Some people might be scared to use such bright purple eyeliners like this, but I'll show you how easy it is and how you surprisingly can combine it with multiple different eyeshadow colors. So if you want to learn how, keep watching. Since today's look is about the eyes, I have gone ahead and done the rest of my face. So primer, foundation, blush, bronzer, concealer, highlighter, and eyebrows. I will definitely link the products I used below. But for today's video, we're going to be focusing on eyes, and I'll show you how I do my lips too to combine them and finalize the look. To get started, we will use the Tom Ford Eye Primer Duo to prime our eyes. Purple is not too difficult of a color to combine, but I thought we would do something unique today. So I have my Dior 5-color palette in the number 517 Intensif-Eye. You'll see it comes with 5 unique colors, shimmery silver, pink, a taupe, a dark green, and a yellow. And for today's look, we'll actually be able to use all 5 colors. So let's see how we do it. To get started, we want to highlight the brow bone, and I'm going to use this shimmery silver. Next, we'll use this pink color on the lid. And with these colors, a little bit goes a long way, so no need to add pounds and pounds of shadow on. For the crease, I'm going to use this taupe color with a crease brush. Add some smoky eye, we will use this darker green. I'm going to use this same blending / crease brush and clean it off with my J-Cat dry makeup brush cleaner. This is super handy when you're using multiple colors and want to repeat brushes. All you do is twirl it in this spongy thing in the middle, and the color comes off super fast. So that green color is going to go on the outer corner of my eyes. And this color is super pigmented, so I'm putting it just a tiny bit. I'm going to blend it out a little bit with my finger. This color tends to travel a bit. When I say travel, I mean it doesn't stay where I put it on. So I like to use a Q-tip, clean it off the excess. And when you're doing a contrast of colors like this, like pink to dark green, you want to make sure you've applied it evenly on both sides, otherwise it looks very obvious that you haven't blended it properly. So if you even want to clean this same brush off again, just so that you can blend it in and make it look more like ombre instead of like a harsh line, you can do that. Just blend it out. For the inner corners of the eye, to add some highlight to the eye, I'm going to use the final color, this yellow in the middle. Now we're actually going to use two eyeliners because I like to always tightline in black, and then we're going to use the pop of purple on the bottom lashes. I'm using Marc Jacobs Blackout and also Marc Jacobs in Purple Rain. How pretty is that pop of purple? To amplify the eyes, I'm going to be using Huda Beauty Legit Lashes for mascara. I like to start with the volume side because it's double-ended. It has volume and curl and length. I'm going to start with the volume side. This is amazing because you get the look of falsies with your own real lashes. And I'm not using an eyelash curler, so the wand does all the work for you. I always like giant lashes, so I put as many coats as possible on. But that's totally your choice. If you like a more natural look, then do what you like. And then I'm going to use the curl side. You see the wand is a little bit different. It's like a curvy shape. And I'm actually going to top that with Giorgio Armani Black Ecstasy. I just love how this looks. It makes my eyes amazing. Since the eyes are pretty deep, I'm going to do a more Suave lip color. Go back to my trusty MAC lip liner and lip color. Lip liner is in Soar and lip color is in Brave. And you can see the color here. I'm gonna line the lips first. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching the steps and learning how to use multiple colors at the same time. Like I said, you totally have the choice of how deep/intense you can make this look. If you like what you saw today, don't forget to leave a comment below, ask me questions, give me suggestions for future videos. I'd love to hear from you guys. Also, don't forget to click the like and subscribe buttons, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!